Hello world, welcome to Chicago O'Hare Airport, the famous illuminated tunnel and the United Airlines Polaris Lounge, which we will take a look at in today's lounge visit. Come with me. This lounge is located at Gate C18. Immediately upon entering the lounge, you will see a very long corridor. It is dark but has a beautiful starry sky. There are many restrooms here. These are mixed gender and each cabin is incredibly spacious, luxuriously furnished and clean. Even before the renovation, the lounge was quite often really crowded, especially during peak times of course. But even today, after the expansion and at the time of this video, it was very well attended. There is still a dining area which has now been relocated. In addition, there are now office spots where you can retreat to work in peace. What you see here is the lounge after the renovation and reopening at the end of May 25. This lounge is exclusive for business class passengers on a long-haul flight on United Airlines, such as selected airline partners. A frequent flyer status does not get you access here. A highlight is the relax area, where you get very spacious shower suites as well as day beds. In the dining area, you can eat a la carte, but it's sometimes really hard to get a free table. So there is of course also a buffet, and this is very well staffed in relation to airline lounge food. United's Polaris Lounge at Chicago Airport. As there is a strong partnership between United and Lufthansa over the Atlantic, you are also eligible to enter the Polaris Lounge when you have a Lufthansa flight and you are ticketed into business class. This is definitely one of the best and nicest lounges that are available in the States. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you can do so now. You can also activate the bell and you will be notified about new videos on this channel. And always remember, we all live under the same horizon, so be nice to each other. Goodbye, world.